Neosho or Parsons today.
Time for some Friday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we are going to begin in St. Paul with Decker Vitz celebrating number 4. Happy birthday, Decker.
And you got Gabriel Lance celebrating 10 years today in Pittsburgh, Kansas.
And Allison Splector celebrating number 13 in Chanute, and she's the one on the right. Happy birthday, Allison.
And Kaden Hudson is turning 13 as well in Chanute, Kansas, but she's the girl on the left.
All right. And Olivia No in Carthage celebrating number 17. Happy birthday, Olivia.
Jenna Babcock is turning 18 years old, a big 18. Happy birthday from Papa and Nana.
And over in Oswego, Colby Collins celebrating number 22 with the catch of the day. Happy birthday, Colby.
Ryan Metcalf is turning 37 in Fort Scott, Kansas. Love from Courtney, Emma, Mason, and Sutton.
And in Pittsburgh, Robin Benson celebrating birthday number 54 with birthday wishes coming from her partner Amy Bartley, Mama, Lisa, Pat, and her fur babies, Spike and Abby.
Mark Bohr is turning 60 in Pittsburgh, Kansas, and a note from his family, we love you. Aww.
And we've got Jim Godinez celebrating number 73 in Chanute. Happy birthday, Jim.
Mary Ann French is turning 79 in Redfield, Kansas. Love the Murphy girls.
And Mary David celebrating number 86 in Walnut. Happy birthday, Mary.
Louise Carthers is turning 100 years old. That is so awesome. You get in the triple digits. She's celebrating Lamar, Missouri today.
And Mike and Missy Sisney celebrating their 23rd wedding anniversary over in Girard with lots of love from Evan, Aiden, Marley, Quinn, and the rest of the family.
You got Jeff and Kim Kane celebrating 39 years together in Columbus, Kansas.
And over in Carthage, Mark Howerton celebrating another year wiser. Happy birthday, Mark.
Skylar Sapporo is turning 15 in Columbus, Kansas as well.
And Tommy Bennett in Joplin celebrating number 83. Happy birthday, Tommy.
Ruth Hell is partying it up in Columbus, Kansas as well.
And our neighbor in Crestline, Terry Sims, celebrating birthday number 76. Happy birthday, Terry.
Betty Maynoll is turning 89 years old in St. Paul, Kansas. She's a resident at Perry Mission Retirement Village, and it's her birthday. Awesome.
And Ellie Westhoff celebrating birthday number 12 in St. Paul. Happy birthday, Ellie.
Joe and Diana Calton is celebrating 24 years together in Pineville, Missouri.
And last but certainly not least, Tina Ohm celebrating birthday number 60 in Pittsburgh. That was a great list. Unfortunately, did you see that there were 2 pages of people without pictures? And we love seeing these pictures of your birthdays and anniversaries. Amber, where do they need to send them?
You can send them to our email, which is birthdays, it's plural, at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do, and you get special deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head over to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today. All right, let's